Okay, we're picking up where we left off. We're going to now add questions and answers to our Kahoot quiz. So from the previous page where we created our outline or background information about our quiz, now we're going to click OK Go, and it takes us to this page where we can add a question. Just click the purple plus, and here's our question page. Question 1. So we write out our question. How are fiction books organized in the library? I'm going to leave the 20-second time limit because I think 20 seconds is a good default. I want the quiz to keep moving so students don't get bogged down and it doesn't get too slow. But I also need to provide enough time for students to read the questions and read the answers. So I think 20 seconds is a place to start, and you can see if it works for you. And yes, I'm definitely going to award points because this is a Kahoot quiz and the kids really get into competing with each other based on how many points they get. So yes, we are going to keep that. So how are fiction books organized in the library? Alphabetically by author's first name. Alphabetically by author's last name. And so you see that answers 1 and 2 are required, but you could stop there, or you can provide up to 4 answers. So I'm going to do 4 to keep it fun. Alphabetically by title is what most kids think, sadly. And then I'm going to say alphabetically by main character's first name. Can you imagine what a disaster the library would be? Okay, now these little check marks next to the question are for you to mark which one is the right answer. So I'm going to say by author's last name. And then you can also add a picture here. You could add a photo from your own photo gallery or add a video. I'm just going the quick route and adding pretty images and soothing images. So then I'm going to say next. And that's it. That's our first question. And you just keep doing that until you have the number of questions you need for your quiz. Now you can edit. You can see here you can change the time limit right there without having to go back into the question. If you want to edit it, you can just click this orange pencil and that would edit it. If you wanted to copy the question, you could click the blue duplicate button and that will copy the question, which I'm not sure why you would want to do, but maybe it is a way to start so you don't have to enter all the information again if you have similar questions that are similar to each other and you just want to tweak them. Let's say I want this one to be 10 seconds, and this one to be 20 seconds. And I want to move them around. Oops, they're out of order. I just drag the question and move it around. Okay, but really I don't need this, so I'm just going to delete it for now by clicking on that trash can. And yes, I'm deleting it. Okay, once I'm done adding questions to the quiz, then I push save in the upper right, and it's saved. Now you can decide, are you ready to play it with students right now, which probably you would be creating the quiz in advance, so you're not, but maybe you're ready to play it right now. You can edit it, preview it, but what I'm going to say is I'm done, because I'm imagining I created this the day before class or the evening before. I'm done. And now I decide I'm ready to play. So what it does is it takes me to the screen that shows the other quizzes I've created. This is the recent one. The other one was a test. And then I can hit play when I'm ready to play with my students. And we're going to stop there for today, for now. And I will have one more video tutorial to show you how to play it with your students.